Hi there, students. Flannel. Okay, flannel is a noun, both countable and uncountable. And also, it's a verb. So let's see, flannel as a noun. As an uncountable noun, it's a type of material. Yeah, originally flannel used to be made of wool. It used to be a type of coarse wool, but nowadays it's made from normally a mixture of wool and cotton or some sort of synthetic fibre. So he was wearing a pair of flannel trousers. He was wearing a flannel shirt. So notice flannel talking about the textile. Now, as a countable noun, to me, a flannel, this is a washcloth, yeah? You know, a towel, yeah? Well, you have a flannel, it's a small washcloth, a cloth that you can use to wash yourself. You rub soap on it and you clean yourself with a flannel. But a flannel is for the bathroom, yeah? It's something that you use to wash yourself with. And then to flannel as a verb, this is completely different. Okay, I guess you could also use it as a noun. Stop flanneling. Let's see, if somebody is flanneling, they are talking, but they're not giving you the information that you want. They're trying to calm you down. They're trying to fob you off with half-truths, with plausible things that are not the reality. Yeah? So I asked him if my computer was ready yet, and he proceeded to flannel. He didn't say yes, it was ready, and he didn't say no, it was not ready. He was flanneling about all sorts of different problems. Yeah? He was talking flannel. And this is really the idea of to flannel, to talk evasively, yeah, to try to not get to the point, yeah, to be evasive, to avoid saying what you don't want the people to know. Yeah, so when people are flanneling, it's normally pretty obvious. Yeah, when they're talking flannel, they are trying to use a lot of words, but to avoid answering the question or to avoid telling the truth. So to flannel, this is talking about trying to trick somebody, but using lots of words. Normally as well, you've probably noticed when people lie, they tend to flannel. Yeah, they don't just say yes or no. They say, well, you see, it was like this. Yeah, and they don't actually, at the end of the day, tell you what you want to know. Okay, so flannel, this soft type of fabric, made from wool, made from cotton. It's got a slightly raised surface, yeah? And then a flannel, a little towel that you use to wash yourself. Yeah, so I used a flannel to keep the patient's head cool. And then to flannel, yeah, to avoid addressing the problem, to avoid talking about the subject, yeah. He went on flanneling, but without actually saying anything useful. He apologized about the situation and then went on flanneling for ages. Flannel is really annoying. Yeah, I wish people would just say what they mean and know more. Yeah, because if people are flanneling, they're being evasive. Notice you can also use this word flannel as a verb to talk about somebody who's being flattering. Yeah, so she said I was the most handsome man she'd ever seen, but I knew it was pure flannel. Yeah, it was just rubbish. It was just trying to flatter me. That's because she wanted something from me. Yeah, okay, so flannel, flattering talk. Stop trying to flannel me. Yeah, stop trying to manipulate me by saying untruths that maybe are going to put me in that are going to put yourself in good light. So let's see, a flannel, to wash your face, 5 informality, but notice this is British and Australian as well. Flannel as the textile, 5 informality, used in American, used in British, used anywhere. And then to flannel, yeah, he was flanneling me, trying to get me to buy his product. This is less formal. I think I would give this a 4 informality. It sounds a little bit posh, a little bit old-fashioned, but it still works very nicely. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Anglo-Norman, Flannel, yeah, which was a type of coarse wool, from Proto-Celtic, woolana, wool. So flannel, yeah, this has got the L and the N from wool. So basically the word comes from wool, which originally comes from Proto-Indo-European, meaning wool. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flannel. Stop flanneling me.